Hey guys, Mr. BO1 here again. I'm gonna show you guys all my Thomas the Tank Engine DVDs. I have every single one except for Percy's Chocolate Crunch, James and the Red Balloon, On Site with Thomas, Mud Glorious Mud, and Sing Along Stories. But let's get let's get things started with Hero of the Rails. Um, um, Team up with Thomas. Track Stars. Um, Ultimate Christmas. And here's a double feature of you get Thomas and the Treasure and Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon. Another one is Thomas Gets Tricked and Percy's Ghostly Trick. You know. Hooray for Thomas. Trust Thomas. Railway Friends. Come Ride the Rails. Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon. Carnival Capers. Thomas's Soda Celebration. Percy Saves the Day. Thomas and the Jet Engine. Engines and Escapades. 10 Years of Thomas and Friends. When it was on TV, the model series, I've seen every season from season 6 to 12, but the other 5 seasons, season 1 to 5, I never saw those on TV. Milkshake Muddle. Percy and the Bandstand. High Speed Adventures. Rusty to the Rescue. Percy Takes the Plunge. James Goes Buzz Buzz. Calling All Engines. Best of Percy. Spills and Chills. A Big Day for Thomas. Thomas and the Treasure. Trackside Tunes. Thomas's Snowy Surprise. Naturally, they would include the episodes in the back, because later DVDs, they were doing the designs like this, like 1 or 2 engines on the front cover, but then in 2007, 2008, they started doing covers like this, like 1 or 2 engines on the front and screenshots on the back and listening to bonus features. Um, Percy's Ghostly Trick. Sing Along and, Songs from the Station. Thomas and the Special Letter. Henry and the Elephant. Best of Gordon. New Friends for Thomas. Thomas and the Really Brave Engines. Make Someone Happy. Best of James. Another copy of 10 Years of Thomas, but this is the Lights and Sounds collector's edition, you know. And for some reason, they don't have the other Ringo Starr narrations on DVD, like Better Late Than Ever and Tenors and Turntables, you know. I thought those were really good releases to put on VHS, you know, but they never came out to DVD, you know. Plus, the other one, the only season 4 VHS that never got a DVD was Thomas Meets the Queen, which that was a very good release. That should have gotten a DVD, but I don't know why they didn't. You know, Cranky Bugs. Thomas and his friends get along. Thomas's trusty friends. Thomas gets bumped. Steamies versus Diesels. Races, Rescues, and Runaways. Tales from the Tracks. Best of Thomas. Salty's Secret. Thomas Comes to Breakfast. It's Great to Be an Engine. And Thomas Gets Tricked. And that's all the DVDs I have. Like I said, I have every single one except for Sing Along Stories, James and the Red Balloon, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, and Mud Glorious Mud, and On Site with Thomas, but I'll pick those up someday to add them to the collection. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.